Francis Payton.
Well, areas mainly south of Interstate 64 are currently staying dry. We just have one isolated shower near Brookneal, near South Boston, but we're seeing a bit more action north of Interstate 64. As far as conditions go, currently in the Richmond area, sitting at 75, but it is breezy out here. Our winds currently moving in from the southwest, but our winds will start to transition and move in from the northwest after the strong cold front blows through the Commonwealth. We're looking at wind speeds right now, sustained wind speeds about 17 miles per hour in the Richmond area. Other areas are seeing wind speeds about 15 to even 20 miles per hour, and wind gusts even stronger, near 30 to even 35 miles per hour. So it's breezy to gusty. If you're not seeing a shower or storm right now, you're just dealing with the winds and the warmer temperatures. Right now, 75 in West Point. We've already cooled down 3 degrees as that cold front approaches. We're 72 right now in the Richmond area, 72 as well in Petersburg, 73 in Kilmarnock, and we have 68 in Louisa. So temperatures are rather warm. We have plenty of heat within our atmosphere to see some lift. So we do have a slight chance of seeing a few strong to severe storms, mainly east of Interstate 95. So that's where you see that green and the marginal threat today. And then portions of Virginia Beach are actually in the slight risk in that yellow for the severe weather this afternoon. Timing it out between about 1 to 3 o'clock this afternoon. But there you have a dry view from your Sky Tracker and Millionaire camera right there. But what we're not seeing dry conditions is it really extends from Stafford all the way really until towards I'd say about Spotsylvania. So we're tracking on a decent line of seeing some heavy precipitation. Not seeing any lightning associated with that, but we'll keep a close eye on that cell. And we have an additional cell near Brookneal, but we're not really looking at any strong precipitation associated with that one near Brookneal in South Boston. Just looking at some light to moderate rain showers. But we'll keep a close eye as storms are going to continue to pop up throughout the afternoon hours due to the strong cold front that will sweep across the area. So we're going to track the chance of seeing some strong to severe storms, but we're also tracking some really cold air. All that purple on the map right there, those are freeze warnings and freeze advisories and freeze watches for areas mainly west of us. Wouldn't rule out the chance of seeing an advisory issued shortly, as we're going to see overnight lows in the 30s. But let's get back to that storm activity. Tracking this cold front blowing through the Commonwealth between 1 to 3 o'clock, looking at dry conditions by 4 or 5 o'clock this late afternoon, early evening hours. And it's going to continue to remain quite blustery throughout your evening hours, even overnight, where we'll usher in some much cooler air. We're looking at overnight lows near freezing. Yes, now this is not going to be a record low. The record is actually 28 set back in 1956, but it's going to feel quite cold when you wake up tomorrow morning. Your next chance of seeing any precipitation will be over the weekend, as we're tracking some late Saturday night rain showers that will bleed into Sunday. But as far as your temperatures go, after tomorrow, which will be much cooler, we do rebound quite nicely. Looking at your high temperatures for later in this week, staying in the upper 60s to lower 70s, will maintain more normal-like temperatures over the weekend. Cheryl?
Getting a little breezy out there.